Hello everyone. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use Proxy by Janitor AI. So what we're going to do, firstly go to your Janitor AI, and then once you're here on your account here, so we're going to just choose any character here that you want to work on. So for example, I've got this character here. Okay, so I'm going to just scroll down and then go to these chat. Okay, go to the chat option and then click on chat. So when you go to the chat option here, so what we're going to do to use proxy, okay, you're going to go and click on these three horizontal lines here on your top right. Click on it and then select your API settings. Okay, and once you're on the API settings here, click on these proxy tab here. So click on the proxy tab, and here what we're going to do, you're going to add your proxy. So click on the add option here and then give a name for your proxy, your model name, so you can use like ChatGPT or any other models, and then their URL. And then once that's done, API key is optional, and then once that's done, click on add configuration. So when you hit on add configuration, this will be added, and then once it's added, you're going to click on the test and it will show that this proxy is now active. So I've got this active, and then hit on save settings, and there you go. And that's how you use proxy.